Okay, well, I think we've had, like I said, a fantastic, set of presentations. This is a really, big day for the foundation and for the community, for all the developers at Imperial College, at the Hive, and University of Michigan, and many other places as well. I want to thank everyone for their participation there. And I'd like to go back a little bit to this graphic here, which I really think tells the story of what this community has done over the past 10 months. We got together at our annual meeting in Paris last November. We defined what we wanted 1.2 to be. We organized a series of hackathons and testathons with the various groups. Had a community-wide testing experience where we really did a lot of testing and bug fixing, and we've resulted in a production release of the platform that we have today. One thing we can see is there's still a bit of a developer gap here between the issues that we have reported and the issues that we've solved. And that's something that the foundation is very concerned about and very focused on ensuring that we have continued developer support to continue to mature the platform, advance the platform, and add new capabilities to the platform. Like I said, it's been a very broad group of contributors that have come together to do this, and I want to thank every one of them. But the foundation is really driven by members, and today we have 18 members as part of the foundation. As we can see, we have over 50 installations, so there's a lot of membership opportunity here to work with the foundation as we go along. There's a 3-level membership in the foundation: gold, silver, and bronze. And the membership really drives the governance of the foundation as a whole. We have the management team, which you can see here in blue, which is really made up of people that spend and devote part of their time, very high-level experienced people that devote part of their time to ensuring the goals of the foundation are met. And then we have the community groups, the 3 C committees, community code and content, that are co-chaired by members of the community and members of the management team. And then our board, which has its 3 committees, chaired overall by Gil Ullman. We have a finance committee chaired by Brett Davis at Converge Health by Deloitte, and a governance committee that's chaired by Matteo Di Tommaso from Pfizer. But the goal is to really have an integrated community that works together. The member organizations that have supported the foundation and supported this effort to date include Converge Health by Deloitte, Oracle, Pfizer, Roche, Sanofi, and Takeda at the gold level. And I'll point out that the Pistoia Alliance was really the founder of the foundation from a financial perspective with initial grants. We have 2 silver members, the key academic medical centers at Johns Hopkins University and University of Michigan, and a collection of bronze members which span nonprofits, biotechs, etc. AssureRx, Cognizant, Institute for Systems Biology, One Mind for Research, Sama Technologies, the Hive, and our lab. This is a group that really we want to focus on growing over the next 12 months. The membership drives our board of directors. We have a 15-member board. We have 6 members today drawn from the gold membership, 2 drawn from the silver membership, and 2 drawn from the bronze membership. These include Jamie Danberg from Takeda, Brett Davis from Deloitte, Matteo Di Tommaso from Pfizer, Olivier Gian from Sanofi, Jürgen Hammer from Roche, and Jonathan Sheldon from Oracle. We want to continue to bring the membership to the board and to help drive the direction of the programs as we go. In addition, we have 5 at-large positions, currently 4 people in those positions that really help us tie into the aspects of the community we want to continue to be connected to. We have Hiroki Kitano from the Institute for Systems Biology of Japan, helping to represent Asia. We have Anne-Marie Martin from IMI, representing European interests and more. Gerrit Meyer from CTMM, representing a lot of the efforts ongoing in the Netherlands using the tranSMART platform. And John Wilbanks, who's a fellow with Faster Cure, is really bringing a lot of the open source, open content, open science viewpoints to our board of directors. I mentioned the 3 C committees, which are co-chaired by members of the community with members of the management team. The Code Committee is Jay Bergeron and UK Go. The Content Committee, Sirman Osheron from Thomson Reuters with Brian Apey of the Foundation. And the Community Committee is Sherry Kyle from Sanofi with Kevin Smith from the Foundation. The 3 C committees are chaired by these individuals. The membership is made up of member representatives from our member organizations, and they're accountable to the board of directors for really providing the input on the day-to-day needs and directions of the community and of the foundation. Each of the 3C committees is made up of working groups, and these working groups get together on a regular basis and are focused on aspects like architecture, engineering support, product management, and more. So I want to encourage people to get involved. There are at least 30 companies using the platform that are potential members, and we'd like to encourage them to become members and to participate in the direction of the foundation. If you'd like information on this, there's a package, a membership package, which is available from our secretary, Kevin Smith, and we can make sure that you get that. But we're really beginning the kickoff of our membership drive for the fall, and we're looking to really try and double the number of members in the foundation to date. I'd like to sort of finish off here by looking at the business plan that we proposed 18 months ago when we founded the foundation. We divided our business plan into 3 phases, a startup phase, a stabilization phase, and then a growth phase. And phase 1 we completed at the end of last year, and the major deliverable there was the first truly open version of the platform, version 1.1 of tranSMART, which developed the platform on the open source Postgres platform. We established our operations team, and we initiated our membership program and brought the 18 members on board and built our member-driven board. Phase 2 started at the beginning of this year, really to formalize and stabilize all of our operations, to focus on delivery of version 1.2, which we've completed as of today, and to convene our new member-driven board, which we did in April. Key goals that we have for this year is to initiate a planning and development for the next version of the platform, and to focus on content. What are the right ways to collect open content, to distribute open content, to make it available to the community. Our third phase really begins next year, which is a growth and sustainability governed by members, and to begin implementation of the next true version of the platform. We have a 3-year plan. We'll update that 3-year plan at the annual meeting coming up here in October, and I want to focus on that piece as well. So what the foundation needs from you, from the community, is become a member, support the foundation, get involved. Participate in governance and direction, work on the platform, advocate for the platform. Today we have a platform that has true genome-wide capability. It has the cross-study capability we've been looking for, many of the capabilities that we've really needed to make this a truly broadly applicable platform. It's now there, and each of us should advocate for that platform and ensure that people across the community know that it's available and can take advantage of it. You need to participate in the community through whether you're a software developer, through software development, an end user for software testing, for documentation and development project that is now ongoing for the version 1.2 and needs volunteers, and to provide scientific input for the key uses of the platform, not only for the demonstration pieces that we're doing, but as we go along in developing training programs and implementing the platform. And finally, attend the annual meeting. Our annual meeting is coming up in just 5 weeks, as Rudy mentioned. It's October 14th to 16th, coming up in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Our annual meeting moves between Europe and the U.S. on an annual basis. Next year we'll be in Europe. But attend. It's a 3-day meeting. There's a fantastic amount of things going on there. The 3C committees will meet and develop their strategies for the next 12 months. We'll have a full board meeting on site that in fact is as important to us as we have our quarterly board meetings. We should have our initial training effort that will be there, a pilot training program for the platform. This is a great time to get together with your colleagues, et cetera, and work together. There is no registration fee for the meeting. I encourage you to go on the website and to register and to join. And particularly if you would like to give a talk on your particular research and use of the platform or any other topic related to translational research, I encourage you to submit a proposal for that as well. As I said, the annual meeting coming up, hosted by University of Michigan. You can get to the information on the website, and I think the next big event for us is that annual meeting, and I hope all of you will join us in Ann Arbor on October 14th. With that, I'd like to bring things to a close. Gil, EK, Kevin, is there anyone who would like to make any other closing comments?
my only comment is all the UK guys don't leave afterwards to have a drink.
Yeah, that's it's a little early for us to have a drink here in the States, but you guys go and have a pint for us, okay?
All right, we'll help you drink a little more, but
Fantastic. Again, I'd like to thank everyone. I'd like to thank Kevin and the team at Michigan for a lot of the technical support. I'd like to thank IGBS for hosting the group in London and the technical support there. And I look forward to seeing you all in Ann Arbor in a few weeks. Cheers.
thank you. Bye. Bye. Okay.